It's Peppa Pig and Susie Sheep. Hello everyone! I love strawberries and I love pink. Can you make a pink strawberry? Yes, we can. We have our pink Play-Doh. And a strawberry. Here is our pink strawberry. It looks delicious. I love Minnie Mouse. Can you make a red Minnie Mouse? Sure can, Peppa. Here's our red Play-Doh. Here's Minnie Mouse. Here is our red Minnie Mouse for Peppa. Here comes an airplane. It looks like Daddy Pig is flying. It's coming in for a landing. Hello everyone. I would love to see a teal truck. Okay, Daddy Pig. Here's our teal Play-Doh. And here's our truck. It's Mater from the movie Cars. Here's Mater. He looks pretty good in teal, doesn't he? Hey, Daddy Pig. Was anyone flying with you? Let me pop open the plane and show you. It's Mummy Pig. Hello, everyone. I love snowflakes, and I would love to see an orange snowflake. Coming right up, Mummy Pig. We have orange Play-Doh. And a snowflake. And now we have an orange snowflake for Mummy Pig. Hello everyone! I have Pedro Pony and George with me. Hi everyone! I hear you're having fun with Play-Doh. I would love to see a yellow hippopotamus. Okay, Pedro, here's our yellow Play-Doh. And our hippopotamus. And now we have a yellow hippo. Dinosaur. George, would you like to see a dinosaur? Yes, dinosaur. Well, let's make it blue, just like your shirt. We have blue Play-Doh. And a dinosaur. Whoa, our dinosaur went flying. Here's our blue dinosaur for George. Roar! Grandpa Pig, what would you like to see? I love trains and I love purple. Can you make a purple train? Yes, I can. Here's our purple Play-Doh. And here is our train. And now we have a purple train. Let's go, children.
Ho-ho! Hop aboard!
Today we made a pink strawberry, a red Minnie Mouse, an orange snowflake, a yellow hippopotamus, a teal mater, a blue dinosaur, and a purple train. Oh, that was so much fun! Hope you enjoyed it! Oh no, I'm running late! I need to get my Paw Patrol uniform on. Time to get changed. There, that's better. Now I have on my red hat and my red vest. I wonder if I could change into a super pup. Let's give this a try. Whoa! It totally worked! Look, I'm wearing my red super pup outfit and I'm super squishy. Oh, hey Marshall, do you mind if I get changed real fast in your pup house? Be my guest. Time to get changed. That's better. Now Chase can be on the case. Hey Chase, do you want to dress like a super pup? Boy, do I! Then just hop back in there and you'll become a super pup. Okay, I'm already wearing blue and I'd love to wear more blue as a super pup. Here I go! Whoa, it worked! Chase is on the case wearing a blue super pup costume. You look pretty awesome. Here comes Rubble. Hey guys, time for me to get dressed on the double. Hop on in, Rubble. We'll get out of your way so you can get in there. Thanks guys. Paw Patrol uniform on the double. Ooh, that was fast. Wait a second. You guys are dressed like super pups. Can I be a super pup too? Yes, you can, Rubble. Hop in. Okay, remember I'm yellow, so I need a yellow super pup outfit. Here I go. Woohoo! It worked! I'm a yellow super pup, and I'm so squishy. Hey guys, this pup has got to fly and get on my Paw Patrol uniform. I'll be back in a jiffy. Alright, so I'm looking totally cool in pink, real squishy. But I would like to be a super pup like you guys. All you have to do is jump back in, and you'll become a super pup. Okay, here I go. Wow, I am a super pup. I love my pink mask, and I'm so nice and squishy. Do you mind if I use the pup house to get dressed? I need to get on my orange uniform. Here I go. Now that's much better. I'm ready to dive in. Hey, can I become a super pup too? Yes, you can. Just jump back in there. Super! This is so super cool. Woohoo! I'm wearing all orange and I'm super duper squishy. Hey guys!